Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to chrome delete a Chrysler 300. Many owners choose to remove the factory chrome for a more customized and aggressive appearance. We will explore two primary methods: vinyl wrapping and painting, both offering distinct advantages. This modification can significantly update your vehicle's style, giving it a sleek, modern edge. Deciding between vinyl wrap and paint depends on your desired permanence and budget. Vinyl wrapping is popular for its flexibility and ease of removal, making it a great choice for those who like to change their style. For painting, you'll need automotive-grade paint, primer, and clear coat. Regardless of your choice, proper tools are crucial for a successful outcome. Begin by meticulously cleaning all chrome parts to ensure optimal adhesion. For vinyl, apply a soap and water solution, then carefully lay the film, working out any air bubbles with a squeegee. Use a heat gun to stretch and conform the vinyl around curves. If painting, sand the chrome thoroughly, then apply several light coats of primer, followed by your chosen paint color, allowing adequate drying time between each. After applying your chosen material, carefully trim any excess vinyl using a sharp X-Acto knife, ensuring crisp, clean lines. If you've painted, a clear coat will provide an extra layer of durability and a professional finish. Allow at least 24 to 48 hours for vinyl to fully adhere or several days for paint to cure completely before washing your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.